restoration. A little bit longer, let them see it. It's not just the headrest, is it?
Nope.
Right. So me and my lad Alex have just bought a car between us. We paid 250 quid for the Fiat Cinquecento. It was an MOT failure. Just picked it up from Liverpool, or well, Birkenhead it was. So it was about a 50-mile trip in the truck. First long distance we've done, so we made sure we had covered with the AA. We'll show you around it properly once we get it back home. But if I could show you his face now, he's got a grin from ear to ear. And there is a happy face. And it shall be if it goes off the ramps.
Okay.
Okay. Right, so we've got the car back home, just took the straps off. I'm going to get Alex to film taking it off, and we're going to put it down the side of the house. Don't go behind.
Not.
Right, so the car's now in the side garden. Alex hiding over there. Alex is going to be doing his own little channel on this car.
Hi.
And I'll link it when he does, if anyone wants to have a look at it. I'm going to set him up on a time lapse, and if you have a look inside, it's really grotty. So what he's going to do is he's got my vac out. He's going to get on with vacuuming it all out. Believe it or not as well, don't know how well it's going to show up on camera, but it's got a jack in there that's never been used. Screwdriver in there, none of them tools have ever been used. Absolutely brilliant. Screwdriver's just for bits and pieces. I forgot to add into the video as well, it's done 52,000 miles, 52,473 it's done from new, so it's relatively low mileage for a P-Reg. Rear wash wipe. The paint's not great. It's got a lot of white. I don't know if these were on a white primer, but what we'll do is we'll get it buffed up. It's like it's been bird pooed on and it's come off, but we'll get it all buffed up and get it as nice as it can be. And if necessary, this one here is going to be polishing it up. You can use my machine polisher. Headlining's okay. Starts and stops. Zero shine. Right, so this is Alex's first start of the car. Let's go on. Right. So next time it does that, see the pedal on the right, the accelerator, give that a little blip when it starts. You ready? Go. Rev it, that's it. Alright, stop. That's it. Let go of the key. That's it. Go and give it a rev. Beast. There you go. Right, so that concludes this video. As you can see, he's dead safe. I've just come out to the car, he's left the key in, logbook, lock. He's done all this on his own phone, and I've not got the footage off him of him time-lapsing cleaning the interior. He's not cleaned the seats yet properly, but he's ran the vac over everything. Done quite a nice job compared to what it was like before. So, if you did enjoy the video, please do like and subscribe. And as and when, we will pop a few more videos out on this. Thanks for watching.